Hi guys, it's me again, and today I will be restoring this pair of pliers. It's Diamond brand here. It's made in USA. It's had a hard life. The handle grips are missing. Someone decided to spray paint it and there's some kid graffiti on it. It was in a pile of pipe fittings that a farm was throwing away. Brought the box of fittings home and this was in it. So now let's clean this up and restore it. The first thing I'm going to do is remove that bent bolt that's holding the pieces of the pliers together. To do that, I'll just be using another pair of pliers just to hopefully break it off. It's broken. Now we have to clean up the paint. I think I'm just going to remove the paint and use paste wax, similar to how I restored my Wilton bench vise here. I'll just be using a grinder for wire wheel to strip off that nasty paint. Removing the spray paint from the pliers is actually pretty easy when I use the wire wheel. I'm using just a standard crimped wheel on my angle grinder, and the paint just comes right off, and it also has a side benefit of polishing up the chrome underneath. The metal underneath is not rusty or damaged in any way, and the chrome plating is in perfect shape, so I'm not sure why the previous owner spray painted it. Now I'm fastening a replacement bolt with a jam nut onto the pliers to replace the missing bolt. After the bolt and jam nut are installed, I just used a hacksaw to cut off the excess bolt. Now the pliers have been functionally restored. Now we just need to remake the dipped handle grips. To apply a rubber coating to the handles, I just sprayed on some Plasti Dip. I realized that the dip-in version would have been better, but oh well. After this coat is dry, I applied a bunch of other coats off camera to thicken the coating. Okay, so after that first coating dried, I applied several more layers. I realized the dipped version of Plasti Dip would have been better than the spray, but I had the spray, so now let's just remove the excess dip. Now I'm removing the excess Plasti Dip just by using my utility knife to cut and scrape off the excess. It's supposed to be peelable, but I found it's actually harder than I expected to remove, but I guess it wouldn't be good if it came right off. Okay, now it looks like our dip is complete. Now, it is a pretty thin coating, but still pretty comfortable to use. I actually have 3 pairs of slip joint pliers myself. 4 if you count my Knipex pliers wrench, so I don't need this one. I'm actually giving it to my grandma to use for basic home repairs. And it looks like it should work. The mechanism's very nice and smooth. It's got some dipped handles. Still a bit sticky sometimes, but if you just move it back and forth a few times, it seems to work. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tool restoration. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did, and see you all next time.